Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stremio add-ons not working and there the no streams were found error.
Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Step 2. Open a website to confirm the internet is working. Step 3. Restart your router if needed. Fix 2. Restart the Stremio app. Step 1. Close Stremio completely. Step 2. Reopen the app. Step 3. Try playing the stream again. Fix 3. Update Stremio to the latest version. Step 1. Open Play Store, App Store, a Stremio website. Step 2. Check for updates. Step 3. Install the latest version. Fix 4. Reinstall Stremio Add-on. Step 1. Open Stremio Add-ons. Step 2. Uninstall the problematic add-on. Step 3. Reinstall it and refresh. Fix 5. Enable Community Add-on. Step 1. Go to Add-ons. Step 2. Switch to Community Add-ons. Step 3. Install popular add-ons like Torrentio. Fix 6. Clear Stremio cache. Step 1. Go to your device settings. Step 2. Open Apps Stremio. Step 3. Tap Clear Cache, not clear data.